Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of server error on the application of Temu. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about the application of Temu and you will enter. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we'll turn on your airplane mode. And you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.